Hi friend, do you know how Google, Facebook, LinkedIn makes you addicted for scrolling more and more. How they keep on showing you posts which you are interested in. That is because of something called click stream analysis. Because of this they are observing your each and every activity on social platform. So after completing this video, you can confidently explain the whole concepts of this click stream analysis to anyone which works in Azure world. Because visuals, I will explain with visuals because visuals are easy to remember and easy to understand also, right? So let's start exploring. What is click stream analysis? When to use this? By the end, you have a clear understanding of this concept. Imagine you are the user here and this is a Facebook front end, back end and database. Okay, Facebook. Now as a user, you are scrolling through the Facebook and you stop for a few seconds to read a post from your friend or you clicked one post. Now listen carefully. Behind the scenes, Facebook system quietly noticing that you paused, when you posted, when you clicked, when you clicked. So your every behavior and activity is recorded by Facebook. Okay. So meaning they are secretly capturing your behavior on Facebook platform and then they will analyze it and in the future they will show you more posts from the same friend or ads or same kind of ads which you can show interest. Okay, so that is how they are doing the thing. Okay, now this activity of capturing your actions to analyze them is called click stream analysis. Now there are 5 major steps inside click stream analysis. Okay, the first step is suppose you clicked a post. Okay, now in the Facebook, now what will happen in the front end server? Click stream analysis will be started. Okay, and first data generation, or meaning whatever you are user interacting, you are scrolling, clicking, searching something on Facebook. First this thing will happen. Second step is data ingested, meaning all your actions are captured and collected as event by the Facebook. Streaming, what stream means, everything is happening in real time, meaning as soon as you are doing some action, simultaneously, immediately Facebook is collecting that event. Okay, next step is data processed, which means from the events data will be events data will be executed and that data will be cleaned, filtered and prepared for analysis. So whatever you are doing, that data will be cleaned, prepared, okay, in a proper manner. And after this, the fourth step is data stored, meaning the prepared data will be stored somewhere. And finally, fifth step, the stored data will be analyzed by the Facebook to take some decision like in future what kind of feeds or ads Facebook will show to you, so that you are more engaged in Facebook platform, you spend more time in Facebook. Okay, so that is the high level idea of this click stream analysis. But now you will ask, what are the tools used to data ingest, for data processed, data stored and data analyzed? Okay, so from Azure perspective, there are some tools available in some services available in Azure by which you can do all these different steps. But now you have a good idea of what is click stream analysis. Remember, Facebook, Google, Insta, LinkedIn, etc. are always watching and analyzing your action. Here is the definition. Click stream analysis is the process of capturing, processing and analyzing user interactions on a website or application to gain insight from personalization, targeted ads and user behavior trends. This definition is in the book. It's very much clear to you, but I put it here so that later if you want, you can revise it from the book with the help of diagram and definition. And if everything I explained is clear to you, then write crystal clear in the comments or chat to show some confidence on your learning. Quick update before the next question. I cracked Azure Interview after facing many rejections. From that experience, I created this complete Azure Interview course. This course includes 5 things. Number 5, 200 interview questions, all topics step by step, even if you are an Azure beginner. Fourth, real scenario based questions just like in real interviews. Third, you can check your interview preparation status by marking questions prepared or not prepared. Second is this PDF book for quick revision. And first is Azure Top 10 Mock Interviews. Many students cracked interviews using my courses. You can be the next. Course and book links are given in the description. If you are interested, great. If not, no worries. Let's continue with the next question. What are Azure Event Hubs? When do we use them in our projects? So get ready. By the end, you will explain this concept to anyone. So as I explained in the click stream analysis process, I explained in previous question, right? The first step is the data generation via user interaction, which means that the front end system, you have written some JavaScript code which will capture the interaction you are making with the website. Okay, and that event is passed to the next step. Next step is data ingested and streamed, which is handled by Azure Event Hub in Azure. So this is the tool we will use to do data ingested and stream. Okay, so just think that a simple example, imagine food is the event data, and there are different types of food, right? Now to make different kinds of food digestible, your mouth chews and ingest it and ingest it. That is the your mouth chews it, ingest it, and stream it towards your stomach, right? So same is the role of Azure Event Hub in quick stream analysis, like your jaw have, like your teeth have. Azure Event Hub ingests the raw event data, raw food, and further process it for real-time processing. Okay, so streaming means everything happenings at the real time. As soon as the user interacts and generating event, immediately the events are sent for processing by the mouth, by the Azure Event Hub. Okay. Finally, here is the definition. Azure Event Hub is a big data streaming platform and event ingestion service from Microsoft Azure. That's it. Now you will ask what tool is used for data processing, which is the next step that I will explain you in upcoming question. Your app generates high-speed event data from multiple sources. How would you capture it? Alright, pause the video. Think. Done. So here is the answer. Use Azure Event Hubs. Why? Always answer why. Reasoning. Very important. It's built to handle millions of events per second and ingest. Okay, so whatever actions you are taking on the website, they will be ingested by this Azure Event Hub and sent for the processing, for the data processing. Always remember those steps: capturing, processing, storing, and then analytics. Okay. Now, if you understand this video, then there are 3 more services used for clickstream analysis. Those services I have explained in my complete Azure Interview course using simple definition and easy to understand visuals like this. Many of my students have already used my courses to crack their interviews. So if you are also serious about cracking your next Azure interview and do not want to miss a single question, then check out this course link and the PDF book link in the description below.